What's up everyone? In this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to add Patreon link to YouTube. So stick around to the end to understand how you can do this. So here on our Patreon creator account, going to look just below our profile name and we can see patreon.com with our extension. We're also going to have the link icon here. When you click on it, you will see link copied at the bottom right corner of your page. With the link copied to your clipboard, you're going to go over to your YouTube channel. And over here on your YouTube channel, you're going to go to the top right corner where you can click on your channel icon. Scroll down to YouTube Studio, and on our channel's YouTube Studio, we're going to look at the left side and scroll down to look for customization. Here we have customization. We're going to click on it. Down here at the bottom, we're interested in links. You can see share external links with your viewers. So we're going to click on add link, and then we're going to put their Patreon. And here we're going to place the link which we copied from Patreon on our clipboard right here. So with the Ctrl V, we get to paste our link. After this is done, you can simply go over to publish and click on it. When you click on publish, your Patreon link will be added to your YouTube channel. Let us know if this was helpful and thanks for watching.